How excited are you about Saudi inclusion in the MSCI?
I think this is probably one of the most exciting developments in the emerging market investment world. I've been associated with the Middle East for over 15 years now. I moved there as CFO for Standard Chartered in UAE in 2003. So it's been an exciting journey to see the entire region develop. And, if I just go back and take an analogy, before UAE started its development, their immediate neighbor, I remember going in 2003 and saying, well, the size of the entire banking sector was smaller than DBS. At less than 100 billion. Today, that banking sector is 750 billion on the back of the entire transformation that UAE as a country has seen. So you've got a case really that market itself, which can easily see replication. And when you come down to the kind of scale of Saudi Arabia, I think the expectations probably will be far kind of ambitious compared to what we have seen.
How much of a difference is this MSCI inclusion going to make to Saudi Arabia?
I think it kind of comes very timely in line with its Vision 2030. And the reason being, it just demonstrates a certain level of confidence in the investment environment there, in the climate and how it's evolving and transforming, making it more attractive for the investors to come in. And as the country leadership starts to execute on its agenda for the Vision 2030, some of which we're already seeing, it becomes the right time for the country to obviously invest its own wealth, which is what they are setting aside, but also open that market to international investors. If you just look at a lot of the kind of dynamics, one of the key sectors for the Vision 2030 is exports. Today, 90% of exports is petrochemicals. Yeah. If you look at that compared to, again, I keep drawing these parallels when you look at, another market, which was Malaysia in the 70s and 80s, you look at UAE. UAE put, airlines on the map for Etihad and Emirates. They've got Jumeirah Group doing the hotels and hospitality. You've got a lot of corporate retail sector, etc. Organizations that have created a global footprint and created the hub. Saudi's ambition is again to become the trading and the business hub in that region of EMEA, really speaking. So you've got something that has been proven before. You've got a market which is now opening up and making itself open to investors and completely aligned with its own vision. So I think it's an exciting place to be right now.
Still watching? Perfect. Click here to watch another great video from CNBC International. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.